Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp lock. If you're having trouble with locking WhatsApp, such as using a passcode or fingerprint to access the app, here's what you can do. You can go check the WhatsApp settings if you want, or you could also update your WhatsApp. In order to update that, go to your Play Store, look out for the WhatsApp and tap on the WhatsApp Messenger over here, and there will be an option showing you if your WhatsApp is not updated, and simply you need to tap on that update option and ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that may resolve issues with locking. Or you will also restart your phone. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can resolve temporary issues with apps. Or you could check app permissions. In order to do that, press the WhatsApp app like this and go to the app information and go to the permission which is just below the notifications, and make sure that the WhatsApp app has the necessary permissions to use the phone's lock feature over here. Or you could also reinstall WhatsApp. On the bottom you could see there's uninstall option. If none of the above steps work, you can try uninstalling the WhatsApp and reinstall back again. This will not delete your chat history, but it's a good idea to back up your chats before doing this. Issue persists, you may need to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps for your device. Remember to always back up your WhatsApp chats regularly to avoid losing important messages. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.